The internet goes down. Your chatbot stops answering. Your cloud dashboard freezes. But your phone keeps translating. Your laptop keeps summarizing. Your car still sees the road. And the robot in the building still has to decide whether to stop. That is the shift behind local AI. The brain moves closer to the machine. Most people think of AI as something that lives in the cloud. You type a prompt, it travels to a data center. A model runs on expensive chips. The answer comes back. That is cloud AI. It is powerful. It can use huge models. It can update quickly. It can connect to tools and data across the internet. But it has trade-offs: latency, cost, privacy, connectivity, and control. Local AI changes the shape of those trade-offs. Instead of sending every request away, the device runs part of the model itself. Sometimes on a phone chip, sometimes on a laptop GPU, sometimes on a factory edge box, sometimes inside a car or robot. The technical word is inference. That just means using a trained model to produce an answer or decision. Training is how the model learns. Inference is how it gets used. Local inference matters because some decisions should be fast. A robot avoiding a person cannot wait for a slow connection. A car reading the road cannot depend on a perfect signal. A phone translating speech feels better when it reacts immediately. And a business may not want every sensitive document leaving the device. So local AI can be faster, more private, cheaper per request after the hardware is paid for, and more reliable when the network is bad. But it is not magic. Local models may be smaller. They may need careful updates. They may have less context. They may still call the cloud for hard tasks. That creates a hybrid future. Small, fast decisions happen on the device. Big, expensive reasoning happens in the cloud. Sensitive data stays close when it can. Shared knowledge updates from the outside when it should. This changes who has power. If intelligence only lives in the cloud, the platform controls the brain. If intelligence runs on your device, the phone, laptop, car, factory, or robot becomes more independent. That is useful and harder to govern because millions of little brains are messier than one big one. The future is probably not cloud AI versus local AI. It is deciding which part of the brain belongs where. Fast decisions close to the action. Private decisions close to the user, heavy decisions close to the data center, and humans deciding which trade-off matters. So when someone says AI is moving onto the device, do not just hear a chip story, hear a power story. Who controls the intelligence when the internet is optional? What would you want your phone or laptop to handle without the cloud? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more future shifts, where the future is useful, weird, and sometimes works offline.